Hello, everyone. I'm going to talk about how internally at Oracle, we have used Exadata platform to lower operating cost and streamline our entire IT infrastructure. Let's begin with a brief introduction about the group. Oracle Application Labs is the group responsible for implementing and managing all the business application at Oracle. So in that sense, we are like one of the largest customer of Oracle, and we go through the same experience and same set of challenges that many of our customers would go through. At Oracle, we have gone through three major transformation of our IT infrastructure in last 10 or 15 years. The first one was in early 2000 when we consolidated all of our regional and country-specific ERP system into one global single instance. This massive consolidation, along with business process simplification across the globe, resulted in more than $1 billion saving for Oracle, and also created the platform to execute on more than 150 acquisitions since then. But soon after, the global single instance became virtual single instance. What I mean by that is, along with the single ERP system, we also had one global single CRM system and supply chain system. So we ended up with more than 30 production databases and hundreds of test databases, all running on different hardware, different storage, different operating system, even different database versions, making it very complex and expensive to operate. There were examples or cases when a production crisis call would involve 4 different vendors to resolve an issue. This is when we went through our second transformation as we consolidated all these hundreds of databases on 12 Exadata racks, running all the production, DR, and test databases, supporting all of our corporate applications. This course resulted in millions of dollars of saving, reduce both planned and unplanned outages because now we can have one single quarterly maintenance to maintain all of our infrastructure and database. And also it provided significant performance benefits. There were examples of bad jobs which used to run hours would now finish in seconds on this new platform without any code change. And now we are in the midst of our third transformation. As Oracle as a company transformed itself to a service company, we in IT also needed an infrastructure platform that would enable us to innovate faster and also meet the changing needs of our business. Earlier, when we were on-prem, we were constrained by these challenges, fixed capacity, or having to go through once a year capital expenditure planning, longer and frequent outages, manual provisioning. But since we moved to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, it provided us the flexible need-based budgeting, ability to scale up when there is high workload, say during quarter end, automate all of our provisioning and infrastructure operations, and better uptime. So we were already on Exadata and we moved to Exacs. So it gave us all the benefit of Exadata, but plus much more. Because Exacs is like a plug and play service. It comes pre-configured, it's very easy to provision both the Exadata as well as all the databases. And it includes all the cloud tools for patching, upgrade, building automations. And importantly, it has native access to Oracle Cloud Object Storage, which gives you cheap and expandable storage option, but also makes the backup and other operations very easy and automated. And moving to autonomous database has been a complete game changer for us. With its self-driving capabilities, we are at Oracle now running several mission critical business applications on autonomous database with zero system administration. So the combination of XSCS and autonomous database have enabled us, the IT group, to deliver better and faster solutions to our business partners at lower cost. Just wanted to share a few numbers. By moving one of our customer lifecycle management system to this new platform, not only we achieve a minimum of 2x performance improvement, we also obtain 40% cost savings. We are now able to deploy new systems and applications in minutes instead of months. And we are able to redeploy, we have been able to redeploy 35% of our resources working on newer projects rather than working on day-to-day operational activities. With better performance, less downtime, and newer capabilities such as AI and ML both inside the database as well as in the cloud infrastructure, we are helping our business deliver exceptional experience to our employees, our customer, and also achieve faster time to market. Now, I would like to share a few things that we have learned in our journey to cloud. First, automate almost everything. And all the SDKs and APIs provided by XSCS and other cloud services, it makes it very easy to automate all of your infrastructure operations. Earlier, we were able to do only CI/CD and other automation only at the application stack. But now with cloud services, we are able to do the automation for the entire stack. In our journey to cloud, we have adopted a coexistence model between our on-prem and cloud instead of doing a big bang approach. And it has been a very successful model. And one of the key ingredients for that success is the ability to use the same set of tools and processes like Enterprise Manager to manage both our on-prem system as well as cloud infrastructure. Finally, we have invested in upgrading our skills. Our DBAs, for example, are helping with data engineering, building more automations, or helping application team scale up their applications or build scalable architecture rather than doing day-to-day operational activities like patching and upgrades and all. Now, to conclude, the consolidation of all our databases that we did on Exadata platform on-prem not only provided us all the benefit that I just talked about, but importantly, it has also made it very easy for us now to move to cloud. We are able to do very easy one-click migration to cloud.